Hello, it's Gem Games here, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to convert any MIXAMO animation to UE4 or UE5 skeleton without messing the fingers or anything like that. As you can see, I have converted this animation to UE5 skeleton. So yeah, let's get started. First, you want to go to the link in the description that takes you to this terribillystudio.fr. Okay, then you want to click on this, and also you want to download the Terry Billy Studio Launcher, because otherwise you cannot download the MIXAMO converter. Okay, now let's download it. Okay, I have already done it. After you have done that, what you want to do? You want to click on this MIXAMO Converter Unreal Engine. If you cannot see it here, you want to click on the software and then you can see it here. Okay, now you want to download this latest version, which is at this time of recording it's 2.5. Okay, I will quickly download it. After it has completed, you want to click on play. Okay, click to continue. Enter the conversion process. Okay, I consent. Now what we want to do, export animations to folder incoming FBX. You want to click on that so you can get to the folder of the MIXAMO converter. Okay, now you're on this incoming FBX folder. You want to keep this open on the background. And then what you want to do, you want to select the correct skeleton that you want to use. I will use the UE5 Queen. I will click on that. It will open the folder. Now we want to go to the MIXAMO. We can actually close this Studio Launcher. Okay, and let's go to the MIXAMO. And what we want to do next is we want to upload a character. Let's click on that. Now let's go to the folder where is the skeleton that we want to use. I will use this queen. I will move it to here. Let's wait for it to load. And now you can see it has loaded. We want to click on next. Then we want to select the animations that we are going to use. So let's take this dancing animation, for example. Maybe this hip hop dancing, this is better. Let's select that. Let's download it. And we want to download it without skin. Download. Now you want to download it or move it after you have downloaded to the incoming FBX folder. Now you should have the animation here. Now we can continue with the converter. Okay, so here let's scroll down. Now what we want to do, you should see here this hip hop dancing FBX. Okay, now when you're ready, when you have imported all the animations, you want to click from here. Click here to convert the animations. Now it says it is done, and we can click on this to go to the outgoing FBX folder. Okay, now we can go to the Unreal Engine, and I will go to the blueprints folder. Now when I get this hip hop dancing FBX and I select the same skeleton that I imported to the MIXAMO, which is in this case this SK mannequin, I will import it. You should see that it is working correctly with the UE5 mannequin skeleton. Okay, that is actually pretty nice. As you can see, the fingers and all are working correctly here. So yeah, I actually think that was all for this video. If you liked what you saw, please click the like button and subscribe for more. And yeah, hope you have a great day and see you on the next one.